Hey guys, today we're rebuilding this YZ250 and I'm actually going to give you Jeremy McGrath's ancient secret that the factory mechanics don't want you to know. So this right here, this is a piston return spring, aka the secret sauce of the factory bikes. Now, to install one of these, you need to know that they come in different diameters and different rates. So you've got a progressive rate or straight rate. I prefer the straight rate because it's not going to require any jetting changes. So all you have to do, pull your head off, slap that in there, install your cylinder head, and torque the nuts down. That's all there is to it. But with that being said, some people say that this won't make a difference. But how many of those guys have 7 Supercross championships and 72 wins? Exactly. So if you want to avoid some embarrassment out on the trail or track and get some pep back in your worn out motor, then pick one of these up today.
Results aren't typical, don't really do this, it will definitely break your engine. Side effects are not rare whatsoever. Damage to the cylinder wall, head, and piston are pretty much guaranteed. In some cases, the spring may break and catch the port, causing irreversible damage and adverse effects. Rocky Mountain ATV MC will not be held liable for any installation of piston return springs or the misunderstanding of this April Fool's joke. Always seek the advice of a professional mechanic before attempting any repair work.
So what are you waiting for? Check with your local mechanic to see if the HP Piston Return Spring is right for you.